Urinary system includes the organs that make urine and remove it from the body. Consists of 1. 2 kidneys, up and 2 ureters. 3. An urinary bladder, up and urethra. Kidney, 2 bean-shaped organs lying on posterior abdominal wall. Functions of kidney: 1. Excretion of water and waste products of protein metabolism. Excretion of excess salt. 3. Excretion of harmful substances, drugs and toxins. 4. Regulation of pH of blood. Structural and functional units of kidney: nephrons. Formation of urine: 1. Glomerular filtration. Tubular secretion. Tubular reabsorption. Urethra duct which carries urine from kidney to bladder, made up of the 3 layers: outer fibrous layer, middle muscular layer and inner mucous layer. Urinary bladder, fundus, upper part, and base, lower part, made up of the 4 coats: outer serous coat, muscular coat, submucous coat and mucous lining. Urethra canal through which urine passes from urinary bladder to outside. Diseases associated with urinary system: 1. Glomerulonephritis, infection of kidney leading to inflammation of glomeruli. 2. Pilatus, pelvis of kidney due to infection, and cystitis, urinary bladder. 3. Polyuria, secretion of large quantities of urine. Anuria, cessation of urine secretion. 5. Renal calculi, deposition of insoluble substances in urinary tract.